Hello guys, it's you again. I've been waiting for you. Today we have the Southwest Airline. It wasn't a crash, but something went terribly wrong. It was taking off, you see here, right? Everything was normal. Do you see something wrong with the engine? Cracks. After, you see, these were parts of the engine skin. You know what that means? That happened. It was the fire was flickering, and then it turned off. It was like, and then turned off, and it shut down the engine. Then they decided to make an emergency landing. Okay, look here. And after they landed safely, and you see here I did a bit more detail, and that's the flaps that you see there. If you cannot see it, I'm so sorry. And it's very nice to see you guys. Bye.